Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Have you ever wanted your outdoor lights to switch on automatically at sunset, or your porch lights to switch off when the sun rises, or simply add security to your home when you are away? Then a programmable timer switch might be exactly what you are looking for. In today's video, I will show you how to install the Leviton Decora 24-hour programmable switch VTP24 in a single pole configuration. This timer allows you to automatically control lighting based on the schedules you program. It helps improve convenience, saves energy, and adds extra security to your home. This switch includes an extra wire for installation in a three-way configuration, and I will show you that during the installation. But today I will focus on just the single pole installation. Let's see what's in the package. You get the switch, of course, and instruction manual. 2 full pages of instructions. The manual is quite detailed. It gives lots of instructions on installation and programming in standard as well as pro mode, but I'll make your job easy by explaining as much as I can. The switch does not come with any wire nuts, so you need to have some wire nuts handy for this installation. Once the installation is done, it's good to keep these instructions at a safe place. You might need them later if you want to reprogram the switch or change the existing programming. I will go through the programming of the switch in later videos. Today, I will only show you the installation process. So let's get started. Before we start, I would like to show you the tools you will need for this installation. A contactless voltage tester, both flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers. I prefer to use insulated screwdrivers, and they are from Klein Tools. A wire stripper, a long nose plier, and couple of wire nuts, or my favorite, Wago lever nut connectors. The Leviton programmable timer switch VTP24 and all the tools I'll be using, they are available from Amazon. I will provide links in the description below. I will show the installation procedure on my dummy wall here. Assume that this is your outdoor light and it is controlled by a switch indoors. We want to replace this switch with our Leviton Decora 24-hour programmable timer switch. Safety first, turn off the power to the switch from the circuit breaker and use a contactless voltage tester to make sure there is no power to the switch on which you are working. If you are not comfortable working on electrical wiring, it's better to consult a licensed electrician. Safety must be your priority. Now the breaker is off. We will start by removing the existing switch. Remove the wall plate. This switch comes with a new wall plate. We will use that, but I'll still keep it safe. I may need it later. With my Klein Tools contactless voltage tester, I will make sure that the power is really off. So there is no power. We can proceed. Next, we will remove these screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Gently pull out the switch, and with contactless voltage tester, make sure one more time that there is no power flowing to the switch. Good, it is safe. Next, remove the wires from the switch. Here we have 2 black wires. One wire is the line wire bringing in power to the switch, and the other wire is load wire which goes to the light. We need to find out which of these is line wire, which of these is the load wire. For that, I have to turn on the power again, but before I do that, I will cover these wires with a wire nut. For installing the new switch, I will also need the white neutral wire as well as the ground wire. And I can see the ground wires are here, and the 2 white neutral wires are tucked in the outlet box. I will now turn on the circuit breaker. Breaker is on. Once again, we will check the 2 black wires. So this wire is my line wire. The other one goes to the light, is the load wire. I will wrap a small piece of black tape around this wire to make sure I don't make a mistake when installing the new switch. But first, I will turn off the breaker again. This is my line wire. Next, let's take a look at all the wires on the back side of this Leviton VPT24 timer switch. The black wire will be connected to the line. The white wire will be connected to the neutral wire. Green is the ground wire. This yellow and red wire is only for three-way installation. We will cap it off with a wire nut for now. I will make a separate video on three-way installation of this switch. The red wire here will be connected to the load, the wire going to the light. It's now time to start making our connections. I'll start with the ground wire first. Remove the wire nut. Wrap the ground wire on the existing wires. Next, I will connect the white neutral wire. Tighten it properly and give it a little pull to make sure it doesn't come out. The red wire is connected to the load, the wire going to the light. This one is smaller, I'll use a bigger one. The black wire is connected to the line. And we know from this black tape that this is our line wire. I'm using a different wire nut than the existing wire nut, little bigger one. Pull it a bit to make sure no wire comes out. This yellow and red wire is only for three-way configuration and we are not using it. I'll keep the tag here, tap it with a wire nut. So gently tuck the wires back into the box. I need to remove this wall plate which comes with the switch in order to mount the switch onto the box. Before I mount the switch onto the switch box, I would like to test it after turning on the circuit breaker. This will make sure that my connections are correct. The breaker is on. Tap the button from bottom and the light should turn on. There you go. Our connections are correct. I will now turn off the circuit breaker again and mount the switch onto the switch box. Check the alignment. The wall plate, you need a flathead screwdriver for this. There you go, all done. I will turn on the circuit breaker one more time and test the simple on-off function of this switch. Breaker is on, let's check. Press the button for a couple of seconds and the light should turn on. Press it again, light is off. So our installation is successful. Now installation of this switch is only half the process. In my next videos, I will cover the programming of this switch, both pro programming as well as standard programming. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss those videos. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you let me know in comments if I made any mistakes. And if you would like me to make a separate video for installing this switch in a three-way configuration. And remember, this Leviton timer switch VPT24 and all the tools that I have used in this installation, they are available from Amazon. I have given the links in the description below. I hope this will make the installation easier for you. I'll see you next time. Until then, please take care and stay safe.